Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change or edit name in Google Play app. First thing first, you can't directly change your name within the Google app. So here's the workaround. Open the Google Play Store app and then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click manage your Google account here. After that, go to personal info tab here and then you can see all your details here. Scroll down and click on name. Here you can enter your first name, then you can also add nickname if you would like. After that, click save. Here is the save option. Exit the Google Play Store, head over to the Google Pay app, log out of your Google Pay account and log in back again. And there you go. Your name should now be updated in the Google Pay app. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell for more tutorials.